buy a Bitcoin, it's less than $1. In all seriousness, look after yourself. Don't let your PhD sort of dictate your entire life and loom over you, or else you'll find that once you submit, then there's still some invisible thing that's looming over you. So just look after yourself and take a break every now and then to try and forget about it if you can.
If you get opportunities to work abroad, you should really take them. People in other countries and other cultures, they behave differently and they think differently, and it helps you get a better perspective on the world. So I really value the time I've spent working in other countries, and I really encourage people to do that if you get the opportunity.
Don't be frightened to ask more for more advice and more help, which I think I was probably a bit stubborn when I was doing my PhD and didn't ask for enough help. So that's what I would tell myself.
I would say to take this opportunity during your PhD to gain as many practical skills as you can. That's directly related to your research. That is really the only time in your career where you have the opportunity to really explore and specialize in the equipment and the field that you're in. See more and more interdisciplinary research going on, and so the skills that you gain now, you never know where it can be useful in the future, and I think it will just benefit yourself.
If I meet my PhD self once again, I will tell her it is a marathon, not a sprint, so pace yourself out. And imposter syndrome is always going to be there, so don't let it stop you from applying to new opportunities. Only if you apply, you have a possibility of landing a new job. If you don't apply, then it's not going to happen.
I would encourage myself to achieve research excellence as well as research relevance. So if you are studying your master or PhD degree, start this process early. Try to find the relevance of your research, and I'm pretty sure that you will find this journey very rewarding.
I was very restrictive in my thoughts of what industry I should choose after my studies, but Westpac has taught me that the smaller things that we learn in academia are very transferable. And this is a lesson that I'm still learning as I consider my next steps and understanding how to use what I've learned and apply that to new problems and new industries.
In the role that I'm in now, I get to look at a lot of people's CVs and career pathways, and I've seen a really wide-ranging variety. And the ones that are most appealing to us as a quantum tech startup are the people that have got that strong background and a PhD, let's say, in quantum physics or an optical related area, but then they've gone and got experience in industry as well. So let's say I'm hiring for a quantum researcher or a quantum engineer role in the lab. The best candidates that we would be able to find are someone with a technical background, a PhD, maybe a postdoc, but also that industry exposure of maybe they've gone in and found an engineering role in, let's say, a laser company or something quite technical, but having that really good balance and mix of academia and industry is highly valuable. Advice I would give to myself is don't postdoc for quite as long as 9 years as I did, and make that jump into industry a lot quicker, because those candidates get to pick up exposure from different environments, and that's really valuable to us.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
All the best.
Feel free to reach out.